Hey everyone! So in today's video we are visiting at Birdberry Farms located in Kanakapura Road, Bangalore. So this is the project location and it is surrounded by lush green environment. So this project is sprawled over 50 acres of land and it is surrounded by green cover. As in this video you can see there is a lot of greenery all around. And it's a gated community project. Now these are the various plots as in this video you can see. So Birdberry Farms is a managed farm project by urban farmers which is scientifically designed to provide maximum proximity to nature. The project is situated 28 kilometers away from Kanakapura town. Now moving towards the highlights of this project, the project has beautiful landscape garden, farmers quarters, drip irrigation facility, solar lamps, common water storage facility, kitchen garden and many others. The project site is very well equipped with various modern amenities to facilitate the needs of the residents. So I hope you all liked this video. Thank you for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.